As a best practice, safety managers should record and retain gas detection records, including device readings, alarms, and bump and calibration test results for up to 30 years. To do that reliably, safety managers need a good record management system that also empowers them to quickly identify risks, evaluate equipment performance, and proactively address maintenance concerns. The best systems allow safety managers to drive accountability at the worker level so that risk or recognition can be highlighted. When you connect your MSA ALTAIR detectors to the cloud-based grid services, all your detector and test information is automatically transferred to your account, so you can say goodbye to piles of paperwork. Your grid account supports years of data collection, allows easy data filtering and search, shows actionable insights from your data, helps to drive worker accountability. All the information related to your portable gas detectors is secured in one place,